Custard donuts are delicious. They are soft and fluffy. The custard filling is sweet and creamy. You can easily make them at home. Follow this guide for perfect custard donuts. You need simple ingredients. Get these for the donuts: flour, sugar, yeast, milk, butter, eggs, and salt. For the custard, you need milk, sugar, egg yolks, cornstarch, vanilla, and salt. First, warm the milk until it's just slightly above room temperature. This helps activate the yeast. Add the yeast and a tablespoon of sugar to the warm milk. Stir gently to combine. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes. You'll notice the yeast starting to bubble and foam, which means it's alive and active. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center and pour in the yeast mixture. This will help incorporate the ingredients more evenly. Mix the ingredients together with a wooden spoon until a shaggy dough forms. It might look a bit rough, but that's okay. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface. Knead it for about 5 minutes until it starts to come together. Then, add the melted butter. Continue kneading for another 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place the kneaded dough into a lightly oiled bowl to prevent sticking. Cover it with a clean cloth or plastic wrap to keep the moisture in. Let the dough rise in a warm, draft-free area for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. This rising time allows the dough to develop flavor and texture. Section 4. The Art of Custard Filling. Custard filling is a versatile and delicious component that can elevate many desserts. Today we will guide you through the steps to create a perfect custard filling from scratch. In a saucepan, whisk together milk, ensuring it is well combined and smooth. The milk should be fresh and at room temperature for the best results. Add sugar and egg yolks. The sugar will sweeten the custard, while the egg yolks will give it a rich, creamy texture. Make sure to separate the egg yolks carefully to avoid any egg whites in the mixture. Next, incorporate cornstarch and a pinch of salt. Cornstarch acts as a thickening agent, ensuring your custard has the perfect consistency. The salt enhances the overall flavor. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. This process requires patience, as it can take several minutes. Keep stirring to prevent the custard from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once thickened, remove from heat and stir in the vanilla. The vanilla adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to the custard. Let it cool completely before using it in your favorite desserts. Enjoy your homemade custard filling. Section 5. Frying to golden perfection. In this section, we will guide you through the process of frying donuts to achieve that perfect golden brown color and delightful crispiness. Start by punching down the dough to release any air bubbles. Then, roll it out on a floured surface to prevent sticking. Using a donut cutter, cut out your donut shapes. Make sure to cut as many as possible to avoid wasting dough. Next, heat oil in a deep fryer or a heavy-bottom pot. The oil should be heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to ensure the oil maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for even frying. Carefully place the donuts into the hot oil, being cautious not to overcrowd the fryer. Fry the donuts until they are golden brown, flipping them halfway through to ensure even cooking. This should take about 2-3 minutes per side. Once done, remove the donuts and let them drain on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any excess oil. Section 6. Filling and finishing your donuts. First, let the donuts cool completely. Fill a piping bag with the prepared custard. Insert the tip into each donut and fill it with custard. Finally, dust the filled donuts with powdered sugar. Section 7. Serving and savoring your creations. Serve the custard donuts fresh. They are best enjoyed immediately. If you need to store them, use an airtight container. Enjoy!